If you're wondering how to tell if carrots are bad, there are a few key signs to look out for. Sliminess is a clear indication that carrots are past their prime, so it's best to get a fresh package if your carrots are slimy. Dark spots or lines on carrots can be a sign of rot, and it's not safe to eat or cook with rotted vegetables. Mushy or soft textures are also a sign of spoilage, while a stinky, rotten smell is another clear indicator that carrots have gone bad. Carrots can last for a few weeks when stored correctly in the refrigerator. The shelf life of carrots depends on the type, but generally whole carrots last 2 weeks, baby carrots last 2 to 3 weeks, and cut or peeled carrots last 3 weeks when stored in the fridge. To maximize freshness before putting them in the refrigerator, package your carrots based on their type. Whole and cut carrots can be stored in a sealable container or plastic bag along with a damp paper towel. Baby carrots should be repackaged in a sealed bag or container, and peeled carrots can be refrigerated in a water bath. You can also blanch your carrots before freezing them to keep them fresh for up to 12 months.